In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MT5 to TradingView. Navigating the world of online trading platforms can be a bit daunting, especially when you're dealing with powerful tools like MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. These platforms each have their own unique sets of features designed to help you take your trading to the next level. However, there's often some complexity when it comes to connecting the two. Let's go through the steps together. First, you're going to want to head over to the TradingView website. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the chart option. Clicking on this will open up a powerful analytical tool that TradingView offers, where you can see real-time data, draw your charts, and much more. Think of this as your blank canvas, where you will be doing most of your trading analysis. Once you're on the chart page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the interface. You'll notice a small arrow pointing downward. Clicking on this arrow will bring up a menu with various options. Here, you can choose different chart types, indicators, or even add symbols. The arrow functions as a quick access guide to some of the most important features available on TradingView, helping you streamline your trading process. Now, in the menu bar, you'll see a search box. In this box, you want to type in MetaTrader 5 or simply MT5. This is the part where many users get tripped up, hoping to find a direct integration option. It's important to know, and it might be a bit disappointing, that as of now, MetaTrader 5 cannot be directly connected to TradingView. This is simply due to the way these platforms currently operate, as they haven't yet integrated or partnered to allow direct data sharing. Even though a direct connection isn't available at the moment, there may be future developments. The trading world evolves quickly, and updates can introduce new functionalities, so it's always worthwhile to keep your eyes peeled for new announcements. For now, a workaround might involve using one platform for analysis and the other for trade execution, which can still provide comprehensive trading support. So there you have it. Connecting MT5 directly to TradingView isn't possible right now, but understanding each platform's unique strengths can help you utilize them effectively. Remember to frequently check for any updates or new features that may become available, as things in technology and trading tools can change rapidly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.